Hello and welcome. My name is Amreetap and welcome back to my channel. Today we have a certain surprise from my father and guess what? He bought a drone for me. His DJI Mavic Mini 2 and now we'll be unboxing this and it was like a random video. I was never expecting to do this for you guys, but I thought maybe it would be better if I open it along with you and let's get started with it. And this is DJI Mini 2 and you can see this is ultra light, so we don't need a license for carrying this one. And let's open it up. So as we can see in the cover, we are having a bag. This one is the drone that obviously we need. We have got 3 batteries, a charger, few of the blades and a remote. And let's get started by opening this box up. Well, what we have in here. This one is the bag and everything comes within it. So let's pull it out. There we go. DJI emblemed in it and it looks really fancy. And let's open it up from the very beginning. So the chain is already open and there we go, full box. And let's get started. So we're having the drone right over here. And this is the thing, and we also have a box of, oh, this one is the remote. Shall I open this? This one is the remote, and then we have the accessories. So now we are having the box here and let's see what is hiding within it. So a power adapter, American style. Right, then we have a box of something. This is the battery holder along with the chargers. So let's open them. So we are already having one battery stored inside the drone maybe, and we'll unpack this drone. But before that, let me just look a brief of what we are having inside. So we have 2 batteries and 1 battery stays empty. This one is an official DJI battery holder and charger. And we are having a Type-C USB output, and there we go. And we're having the adapters and connectors, Type-C to Type-C, and one is these old ones, I don't know what these are called, and along with that another Type-C. So I think I have to buy the lightning jack adapter in order to connect it with my phone, because Type Cs are not really a functional thing for me. So like we're almost there, and I cannot find extra propellers. I don't know why we didn't give it. It was supposed to be there according to the box. And let me show you how foolish I was. I couldn't get the thing. There is like another chain, and the propellers are inside this. Like so many of them. All the propellers, there are absolutely 6 of them, along with 2 joystick holders extra and a set of screwdriver, and these are all hidden inside this chain, which I was not able to find out, and this was hilarious. So we are done with that. Now let's get started with the remote. The remote is pretty unique. We are having 2 joysticks here at the bottom. We are not taking this out at the moment. So they are like different modes and functionalities. This one is the on and off button, so we can see the charge, how much we are having right now, and we also have to charge this one as well as this one. And there is another interesting thing I want to show. So there is also a record option from here, and this is like maybe the radar. We are having the phone holder. This goes up, and the jacks with which the phones will be getting connected with, and that is all about this remote. And now let's start with the drone, our fabulous DJI, and it looks really beautiful. Okay, so the memory holder here is a micro SD card, and there is a charging jack. You can charge this directly. The battery is contained within this port. There we go. So there are like 3 batteries altogether, and one is included. And the drone looks something like this. There is the camera. It is written 4K. Okay, so there are like also speakers or maybe sound recorders, and this one is the bag. Open this up. This one is a very simple opener, certainly a magnetic one maybe, or it's a clip system, whatever. This thing protects the drone and the fans, which are really delicate, these blades, and it is written Mini 2, which I'm really happy about. Let's open up the okay, so a bit of wonky here, so we have to open this as the direction given. We have to pull it down, and there we go. Another side, and there we go. This is the drone, and that is what DJI offers you with. So that is that. This is the full package of DJI, and the blades are here. I am not keeping them out. And thanks for watching. Keep on watching my channel, and the new videos will be obviously coming with my new drone footages, and I'm really excited to take them. And if you like my videos, please do subscribe to my channel and hit the bell notification icon so that you get connected, and share my videos if you like them. I'll be producing more unique videos for you guys, and stay tuned and keep watching with me. My name is Amreetap Mukherjee, and that is that. Thank you very much. Take care. Goodbye.